geno mar chope pachoka dwe manyien mar yango rang'iny ma kod chal mag alap tuke ma pachoka motelo ne bago tuke mag AFCON higa mag 2027. Piny owacho kokalo kuom jatend migawo mar tuke Salim Vuria opoyo okenge ma oseketi mag gedo e pewe tuke mar Raila Odinga Stadium mabiro ting'o jotugo 60,000. Vuria wacho ni pap ma Kasarani kod Raila Odinga nitie rang'iny madwarore ma ka owacho bende akra wachno bende nosir kod jatend migawo mar jolweny Soipan Tuya.
In fact, what we have decided is we will be inviting CAF in advance, maybe in the middle of next month, so that they can come, the technical team, they can also review with us the progress. If there's any other suggestion that they want to make, they can make it when the contractor is still on the ground, so that we incorporate some of the ideas that they may have. So we'll be inviting them officially to come and review and also work with us. So that is not a big issue.
We give an assurance to Kenyans that we are going to guard the hosting rights for AFCON 2027 very close to heart by ensuring that all the stadia, the training pitches that are supposed to conform to the requisite standards are going to be delivered on time.